Hey guys, I'm Shahad. Welcome back to my channel. I've missed you guys so much. I know it's been a while. So how are you? How's things? How is life? I ordered palette and the lash stash from Certifeye. Anyway, here's the package and I wanted to do a video, a whole review and just showing you. So Certifeye is a UK based makeup brand. They have a very affordable palette, eyeshadows, color pigments, lashes, they have glitters, and I have been eyeing for quite a while the palette, and I have with me today the Tropical Wonders palette. I'm gonna put the pricing around here somewhere. I've been hearing a lot of beautiful reviews about this and I wanted to try it out myself, and it's so affordable. So you open her up. Oh, there she is. This is the lash stash, and when you open it right here, it's so cute. It has, there she is. She has, there's more. Okay, 5 lashes, different lashes and different styles, and I'm gonna try one of them today with a look. And this is the palette. This is the Tropical Wonders palette. I still have not opened it up. It's still sealed because I wanted to do like a review thing. I'm just gonna do my face off camera and just gonna start with you and do a look. I'm still not sure what to go for, so I'm gonna get ready, and yeah, I'll be right back to start with the eyes. Okay, see you then. Okay, so for quickly, I'm just gonna show you what I did, and then we'll open the palette and just have the first impression look together. So for foundation, I used my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup, and this has an SPF of 10. Concealer and powder, I use my Fenty Beauties. They are my beauties. I love them so much. And for contouring and brows on my face, I use my Hoola Benefit. I love this so much. I just love it. That's it. And I did a little bit of baking just to sharpen the face, show the world my cheekbones and stuff. And then I did my brows. I used my favorite ever, the Brow Contour Pro from Benefit. I love this so much. It's so pigmented and it just stays on forever and ever and ever. And of course, my favorite, this is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. These two are my big combos ever. And now I'm gonna open up this babe right here, and we're gonna see what happens. And ooh, I'm so excited. I've been wanting to open this for a while now. This is the Certified Tropical Wonders palette. Okay, there she is. Are you ready? 1, 2. How do you open this? Okay, 1, 2. Wow. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. In person, I mean, yes. Wow. Okay, I did not expect that. Okay, and as usual, I'm gonna do one eye off camera and come back, and I'm gonna do this look right here. Love this look. So I want to recreate it, do one eye off camera, and come back to do the rest of the eye together. So see you in 16,000 years. Okay, and I am back with one eye done. I am loving this eye look. I am loving the shades, and I'm in love. And I'm getting better at this blending game thing. Props to me. Okay, let's get ready. Okay, so first things first on the red list. I'm gonna stop doing that or saying that. First shade I'm gonna dip in is Starling and Atlantic, and I'm just gonna put it in the middle, and then I'm gonna blend it in. You may have noticed that I have been blending my shadows. I learned this from Rokio. I talk about her a lot because she really has some great techniques for beginners to learn, because I've been realizing YouTubers that I have been watching, I have not been learning from them. I'm just losing my money because I'm buying stuff, I'm just liking them, and I haven't learned anything except from her, Rokio. So first thing I dipped in the shade. I'm just gonna create this like a more deeper blue shade, and I'm just gonna pop it right here where the crease is. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna blend it. So I'm just gonna make sure the shade right here. And I'm going back and forth with the shade. Half oval brush from MORPHE. Still pressing the pigment, still adding shades. She used 2 palettes of the Certifeye, and I only have one of them, so I'm just creating like the shades that are non-existent. I know I'm just an artist like that. No. So I just dipped a little bit of a black shade called Bon Beau, Honey Creeper, and Firefish. I'm gonna put these, blend the shades up, you know, above the shade that I just did and blend it together. Do you know what I'm doing right here? Do you see what I'm doing? Because I need to blend it. Yep, that's the brush. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but I used my P.Louis base. I probably shouldn't have, just to show you the real quality of this palette, but I just wanted to try it because this is how I would use any new eyeshadow palette. So I just wanted to do it the same. Sorry, that's the noise of my tummy because I am so hungry. Okay, again, I'm going with this half oval brush, Swamp and Atlantic, because I want this like deeper green shade. Swamp. Who's that Swamp? Oh, do you remember the Graveyard Girl? Swamp Queen or whatever her name used to be. I used to watch her a lot. I don't know where she is now. Hope she's doing okay. And then I'm checking this brush Swamp just a little bit, and then I'm gonna blend it together. Okay, and now I'm gonna cut the crease. Okay, and I'm using my P.Louis base in the shade 0, which is just white. Blending it upwards where the upper part of the crease. And I'm gonna dip in again the shade Atlantic and Swamp because I just want to make things more blended out. Using the shade Starling again. Just to define and blend. Okay, again with this half oval brush, I'm gonna just dip in the shade Swamp again right here and use it like the outer corner of the eyes and the inner part, because in the middle we're gonna use that yellow shade right here. Same shade right here. I'm gonna use the shade Sun Ray, which is this bright yellow shade. Dab it like right on the center of the lid. Right here. I should have done that years ago, but I'm sorry. And then I'm gonna use the shade Swamp again and just tiny bit, and then I'm just gonna try and blend it in with the yellow shade right here. This yellow is bright. Shade Swamp again to blend it up here. You know, I probably should not have done like a cut crease, because this in the photo it shows that she did this, you know, I think without a cut crease. Blending brush and blending everything together just like that. And blend it out. Okay, and quickly off camera, I'm gonna put on a black pencil liner for the waterline, and I'm gonna put on mascara, and I'm gonna come back to try the lashes. And I'm gonna kick off this bake because my face is literally just baked. Excuse my hands, a little messy. For blush, you know what I'm using. I'm going in with my e.L.F. blush palette. And this one. Okay, let's put on lashes. Okay, so I'm opening in my lash stash. We have the Style Hypnotic, Fantasy, Heavenly, Irresistible, and Alluring. Now, if you see Alluring, it's so fluffy, but I don't want to use it because like I want something. Okay, I'm gonna use Fantasy because this look is kind of like a fantasy. Okay, I have one thing to say about these lashes.
Wow.
You guys, oh my god. This is so beautiful. Look at those lashes. Okay, for highlight, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty in the shade Certifeye. Because I want to be that extra, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats. It's the time of year that I think that I'm not highlighting. I want to see, I want people to be like, oh god, what is going on? And for lips, I want something natural because a pencil liner. My Tom Ford lipstick in the shade Spanish Pink. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I am loving this palette. Look at that, look at that. I mean, the shade, the formula is good, and also the lashes, they are so perfect. I have never owned like lashes that are so good, and also the quality and the pricing. I'm gonna list everything down below. Be sure to check them out, and if you see this palette online, you grab one of these babies, or anyone, because these are so affordable, so worth it. And yeah, and also the lash stash, if you don't want like a bunch, there is like 5 of these in here. If you don't want a whole of these, you can choose whatever you want. And yeah, I've loved everything so far. Everything is nice, and it's good to be back filming. I haven't done that in a while. I hope you guys are doing amazing and everything is working out well for you. Be sure to take care of yourself and be kind to one another. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye.